Hello, my name is Oscar Bravo. I am studying foreign language at UNAD. This is my daily routine. My daily routine starts at 12 p.m. I cook breakfast for my partner and me. Then I take a shower and go shopping. I check my phone and cook lunch. We play video games for 1 hour. Then we eat and I work on my university assignments. At 8 p.m., I go to work. And at 2:13 a.m., I return home. I eat and go to sleep at 3:13 a.m. Thank you. Bye.